Good morning students. Welcome to our virtual class of computer. I hope you are revising the lectures and writing the activities in your book. In previous lecture we started the research activity of page number 14. Today we will continue with the activity number 2. Explore how CD is different from a DVD and write the answer in space provided. First, storage capacity of CD is up 700 MB and the storage capacity of DVD is 16 GB. Less storage capacity in CD and more storage capacity in DVD. Third, explore and write any three differences between pen drive and hard disk. First, smaller in size in pen drive and hard disk is bigger in size. Second, light in weight in pen drive and heavy in weight in hard disk. Third, the storage capacity of pen drive is up to 256 GB and the storage capacity of hard disk is 10 TB. Fourth, collect information about the different storage capacity of pen drive and complete the table given below. In pen drive, USB drive, storage capacity of USB drive is 64 GB. Next, memory card, the storage capacity of memory card is up to 64 GB. Next, external hard disk, the storage capacity of external hard disk is up to 10 TB. Here is an hands-on activity. In the computer lab, observe and list the parts of computer which you can touch. First part, mouse. Mouse is an pointing device. It is used to play games and move the object. Second, keyboard. Keyboard is used to write instructions. Next, monitor. Monitor is used to see output. Fourth, CPU. CPU is an processing device. Next, observe and make a list of all software installed on any computer and the computer lab. First software is Paint. Paint is used for painting. Next, Notepad. Why we use Notepad? It is used for typing. Next, TuxPaint. TuxPaint is a drawing program we use to make a drawing. Can you touch the software? No, we cannot touch the software. It is a simple program. Why is it necessary to have a software? We give an example. A human body without thoughts and intelligence is like a machine. It cannot feel and take action. In the same way, computer have a part which we can see and touch called hardware. To controlling the working of this part, computer needs a software. We cannot touch the software. Here is an hands-on activity. In this activity, one link is given. You click on that link and see the movie and make a list of the hardware component shown in the movie. Next is research activity. In the research activity, find out what happened to the computer or cell phone which is thrown or discarded by people. Answer is, if discarded properly, it can be reused and recycled. Else, it is harmful for environment. After completed this chapter, here is an one assessment activity. Let's start. First, name the storage capacity to store. First, where we store the 5 movie or games? We stored in DVD or pen drive. Next, where we store few songs and listening them in the car? We use pen drive and CD. Next, how to transfer your drawing from one computer to another? Through pen drive. Write the number of. First, how many alphabet key on the keyboard? 26. Yes. Next, how many function key on the keyboard? 12. Next, how many numbers key on the keyboard? 10. Total 10 means 0 to 9. Which combination key is used? Shift key. Second, which key is used to give for space between words? Yes, space bar key is used to give space. Next, key with @ sign. Which key is have a @ sign? Number 2. Fourth, key used with alphabet key to write uppercase letter and number key to type special character. Which key use? Shift key. Next, toggle key. Caps lock and num lock is a toggle key. Next, keys to restart your computer. Which key combination to use to restart your computer? CTRL, control key plus alt key plus delete key, del. Next, what is the output that we get from printer called? What is the output that we get from printer called? Hard copy. So students, whatever we have learned in this lecture, it should be noted in your book. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.